Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, I am going to ask you several questions. Imagine the answers to these questions like a movie playing back in your mind. Let's begin. What would it be like to be brave? Imagine for a moment how you could show bravery. What would it be like to be confident? Imagine what you would look like. Imagine how you would act. How would this version of a more confident you speak? How would this person walk? How would this person participate in class? In which ways are you confident now? What would it be like to be friendly? How would the way that you act now change? How could you be more inclusive in the games that you play, in the things that you do? Who is somebody that you can think of that you would like to get to know better? What would it be like to be a better student? What would you have to change about what you are doing now in order to improve? What would it be like to be honest? What would be different about what you sometimes say? How would conflicts be resolved if everyone was more honest from the beginning? What would it be like to be kind? What would you do more of? What would you do less of? What would it look like to be helpful? How do you see yourself helping at school? How do you see yourself being more helpful at home? What would it be like to be inspirational? Imagine what you could say or do to make somebody's day or to make them smile. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.